What's wrong? You don't like the snow? I thought you want to play in it. Kitty. Rascal. You don't want to play in the snow? You don't like the snow? You want to go back in the house? Well, you can go back in the house. Hold on, let me get up. Rascal, come on. Come on. You want to go in the house? You go in the house? Alright.